Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will show you how to use notification summaries on your Android 16. So if you have any Google Pixel device running the latest Android 16 version, it will add the amazing notification summaries feature that will helpful to summarize the group message and convert it to short description or main important topics like a WhatsApp group message or a Google messages. It will convert automatically your long messages to group paragraph or text on your device. So make sure enable the notification summary on your Pixel device running the Android 16 version. Enable this notification summaries. Open the app drawer on your Android 16 device. Tap the settings app. Here you can search for the notification summaries or tap on the notifications. Now here you can find the notification summaries. Get quick recap of longer message. So tap on it on the device. Here you can find summarize long message and group conversation to get quick recap. Summarize use AI on your device, which may sometimes make mistake. Your messages are never sent to Google. So this is the information. Here you can see use notification summary. Make sure to toggle on this option on your device to select which application use the notification summary feature. Now scroll down and you can find different application messages, phone pay, tap on manage apps. Now here you can find the list of applications support the notification summaries feature on your Android 16 device. So toggle on the option you want to use. So here we use the WhatsApp, Google Messages, also Google Play service. So whenever you receive multiple message of person, it will quickly recap the important message on your screen. Here you can see how it looks on your phone when you receive and use the notification summary feature on your device. So very helpful feature for the picture device running the latest Android 16 update on your phone. So toggle on the notification summary to use on your device. If you don't want to use, just toggle up it, turn off the notification summaries on your Android 16 any Google Pixel devices. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.